Hello and welcome to Travels with Sheila. I'm Sheila and you are looking at the sun through the haze of wildfire smoke in Vancouver, BC. What a difference a day makes. We have high temperatures, really warm, hot temps ahead of us all this week, yet we are not under sunny skies. You can see the wildfire smoke has been weaving its way in and around Vancouver. And if you've ever been in a wildfire region, we were evacuated from our home during one in 2003. You will know the lighting can be eerie. As I look out our window right now, I see evidence of that. And here you'll see it only in the sun making its way through the haze. Take care and have a great day.